Okay, hello everyone. I want to welcome you to this tutorial where I'll be showing you how to make use of the SendBlaster software. My name is Caleb Adediwura and I am the founder of Crown to Gold Digital Services. Okay, the SendBlaster software is a software that helps you to send hundreds of or even thousands of emails at the same time using either free SMTP or paid SMTP. So in this video, I will be showing you how you can install the software and also how you can make effective use of the software. Alright, so here we go now. I go into my I already downloaded it here, so I'm going to be opening the software. So I'm going to double click to install it. So click on yes. So you're using English, that's United States, so click on OK. So you allow it to install. Okay, now you click on next. You accept the terms and conditions and click on next again. You can put your name here. I already have my name here, Mr. Caleb. You can also put the name of your organization if you wish. So you can just leave it anyone who uses this computer, or if you want it only for me, anyone. Click on next, then click on next again, then install. So you wait while the software is being installed. Okay, so after successful installation, click on finish. Okay, so you can see here that the software has been installed. This is the icon of the software. It is automatically installed on your desktop, and you see the icon here. So we'll double click on it to open it. So we're still going to do some little setup here. We are using English, so click on English. So you wait while it loads. Okay, now we're going to be using the paid version. Okay, so if you're using this, if you're using the free edition, you only be able to send only 100 emails. So after sending 100 emails, it stops sending. So we'll be using the paid version. So you click on upgrade. Okay, so we have the email address and the license key. Okay, so I'll be putting the email address and the license key. Okay, so let me locate that. Alright, so after inputting the email and the license, this is what you get. You get this message: thank you for buying SendBlaster Pro. Okay, so that's what we get. Okay, so after we are done with this, we click on OK and the software loads again. Alright, so this is our SendBlaster software. This is the interface. So I will be showing you how you can make use of all of this. This is the message. This is where you send your message. Okay, under the message you have the compose message, you have the send, you have the schedule history, track reports, Google Analytics, list and address settings, and then all the rest. So first, let me show you how you can. Alright, so the first thing you want to do here is to click on send. Click on send so that we can do all the setup necessary. Okay, so first thing, you come here to your SMTP server. Click on this. You're using SMTP server. Okay, there are different servers you can use. You can use paid SMTP or free SMTP. Okay, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using the free SMTP, which is the Gmail SMTP. Okay, so if we are using the Gmail SMTP, so just put in here smtp.gmail.com. okay, then you click on this authentication required. Okay, so in another video I'll be showing you how you can create your username and your password, okay, to use as SMTP here. okay, through your Gmail. I'll be showing you in another video, okay, but let me just keep this for now. So just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and come here to do all of this setting. Pause between messages, just leave it as 1. Okay, pause between messages, okay, that should be 5. Then pause between blocks, change that to 0. Change that to 0. Messages per block, messages per block, you change that to 1. Then time out in seconds, 60 seconds, you can leave that. Connections, you're using only one connection, so change it to 1. Further attempts in case of error, you can change that to 1. Pause between attempts, okay, you can leave that as 5 seconds. Okay, so this is just the simple setup you need. And what is needed again is the SMTP. I'll be showing you in another video how you can do that. Or okay, let me put my own SMTP, my username and password. Let me try to look. Okay, okay, I think I should quickly show you how you can create your SMTP. Okay, it's a very simple step. Let me quickly show you so we can make use of it here. Okay, log into your Gmail. We'll be creating a free Gmail SMTP. Okay, so log in into your Gmail account, and you click on this icon, then click on Google account, then click on security. Then security, what we want to do here is that we want to create two-step verification so that we can create our password. You can see I already created some password here that I'm using. So first thing you need to do is to create a two-step verification. You can see it is off, so you have to put it on. So click on it, then click on get started. Okay, now you'll be asked to log into your account again for security reasons, so click on next. Alright, so now you want to input a number here. You input your phone number here. Now for Nigerians, Nigerian phone numbers are not accepted here. So either use you get a US phone number or a UK phone number to use. Okay, so I'll be inputting my US phone number. Let me quickly get that. Okay, so that's my US phone number. So you can either choose to get notification by text message or phone call. Anyone you choose is okay. So click on next. So you'll be sent a code. You'll be sent a code to verify. So I just received my code now, so I'll be inputting the code. So after inputting the code, you can see 6-digit code. Then click on next. You can see it worked. Turned on two-step verification. Okay, now you can turn on your two-step verification. And for those that don't have a US number or a UK number, you can contact me. Just contact me. I'll show you a very cheap way you can get a US or UK number to use for verification. Okay, now what you're going to do next now is just click on this. You go back. Okay, now you can see that our two-step verification is on. Now we can now create a new app password. So click on app password. If you've not created anyone before, you see this as 0 or so. So because I've created 3 before, that's why you're seeing this. So click on app password to create a password for SendBlaster software. Okay, so click on next again. It will ask you to put in your, so it will ask for verification again for the same number. The code will be sent to you again. So a code will be sent to you again to log in. So just input it and click on next again. Alright, we are good to go. Now we can now create our app password. Okay, now this is what you need to do here. Now you're seeing all of this because I have created some password before. That's why I'm seeing all of this. For yours, which is most likely going to be a Virgin account or so, so you're going to be seeing nothing here, but you'll be seeing this. So now select the app and device for which you want to generate the app password. So just come here, select app, Okay, just click on order, then you can name it. You can name it SendBlaster. Sorry about that. You can just name it SendBlaster. SendBlaster, then click on generate. Alright, so this is all what we need. Okay, this is our app password that I can use for my software. Okay, so just copy this, copy that, then click on done. Okay, now when you're done with that, don't forget to switch on the two-step verification. So click on this, go back. So you want to switch off this two-step verification. If you don't switch it off, anytime you want to log into a Gmail account, you'll be asked to verify it. Okay, so just switch this off. So we have to log in again for security reasons, so just click on next. Okay, now you can see, just click on turn off, turn it off, turn off. Alright, awesome. So we now have our app password. So we go back to our software, we go back to our SendBlaster software. Now the username is going to be the email address. Okay, the email address. You can see the email address here is kaladeforreal@gmail.com. That's going to be the username. So I'm going to input it here. So the password is the app password we generated. I already copied it before now, so I'm just going to paste it here. That's our app password. Okay, so to test if the password is working, if it's working properly, so you just click on connection test. You want to test if the connection is working. So awesome, you can see connection established. If you see any other notification apart from this, that means there's an error somewhere. Okay, you have to repeat the process again. So this shows that our connection is good to go. Alright, so that is about that, about the setup. Okay, now our ports here, we're going to be using you can either use 587 or 465, anyone works. Okay, so let's use 587 or 465, anyone works. Don't forget to tick this SSL is required, and just leave this one blank, okay. What again? Okay, I think we are good to go. So that is our setup, okay. I'll still be coming back here when we want to send our emails. All right, okay, now compose a message. You want to compose a message. Okay, this is the interface where you compose message. Okay, now you just input the subject of your message. Let's say hi. Okay, that's a message, and you can just come in here to input your message. All these icons, you can just use it to decorate your message, just like you use in an MS Word or so. So just type in your message. Hello, this is a test email from, sorry about that, this is a test email from Crown to Gold, Digital Services. Oh, sorry, I'm not too good at typing, sorry about that. From Crown to Gold Digital Services, Crown to Gold Digital Services. Okay, so let's just use that as the test email. So after sending the email, if you want to, maybe you want to bold or do anything, you can bold. You want to use italics, any of that, you can use it. All these are just simple things to use, just like in MS Word. Now if you want to create links, you can use this to create a link. Okay, maybe you want to drive traffic to your websites or whatever, just click on that and and put your website here. Let's see, www.crowntogold.com or something. Okay, click on OK. So you can see that's the website. So after your message, this will be highlighted, and visitors can click on it to go to your website. Okay, so let's just take that our message for now. Now when you're done with this, very importantly, you click on this test from HTML, so that your message can be sent both as HTML and as plain text. Okay, so when you do that, click on test from HTML, automatically the message is copied here as plain text. Okay, so when you're done with that, the next thing you want to do is to do a spam check. Click on this to do a spam check. So this is another added advantage of SendBlaster software. You can do a spam check right there in the software. Okay, so let's see. Calculating our spam score. Also, we can see our spam check is 0. That means there's a very high chance that our emails will drop in the inbox, in the inbox of our subscribers. Okay, so if you have a value, say 1 or 2 or 2.5, you have to check your content again. The good thing is that SendBlaster will highlight it. If you have words that most likely will take your emails to spam, if you have words like, you have some vulgar words, or you have words like free, and you have words like sex, those kind of words will most likely push your emails to spam folders of your subscribers. Okay, so SendBlaster will check on that, and they will notify you to correct it, so you can quickly make the correction. Okay, so when we are done with that, the next thing is to send your emails. All right, okay, now okay, we come over here. Come over to list and addresses. Now we need to upload the emails we want to send our message to. Okay, so click on manage lists. Okay, now the first thing we do here is to create a new email list. Create a new email list. Just click on this plus sign, then this will pop up, so you can name it. Let's just name it test email. Test emails. Okay, test emails. Now the next thing you want to do is to import. You import the emails from most likely your desktop. Okay, so that means you must have saved your email somewhere in either in Excel format or in Notepad. I advise you use Notepad, it's much more easier. Okay, so click on import. Now you can see all of this. Just leave all of this here. Okay, then click on import, so you see this. All right, now you can upload your emails in two ways. It's either you're using CSV or you're using Notepad. Okay, if you're using CSV, if you're uploading in CSV, that you have to use this portion, okay, delimited. But if you're not using that, if you're uploading it via Notepad, just click on free. Okay, then the next thing you want to do, click on this point here, this dot. Just click on this dot here, so it will take you to where you have saved your emails. All right, for me, I have it saved in my desktop. I'll be using the test email I have here. Okay, let me try to locate it. All right, so we're using this test email, so open to upload it. Okay, next, click on next. So you can see I have 5 emails in the list, so they have all been uploaded. Okay, so click on OK. All right, so if you want to confirm that the emails have been uploaded, just click on manage lists, so you will see them here. These are the 5 emails. The 5 emails I just uploaded, you can find them there. Alright, so we are good to go now. We can now go back to our message to send our message. So we can see we are good to go. We are good to go. So next thing to do is to click on send. Click on send. Now make sure that you remember the name we used for the email, test email. So click on it to highlight it, to select it. Now your sender email address, the email address you want to use here, just I'll be using crown to gold. Okay, sender email address crown to gold, crown to gold at gmail.com. Newsletter, sender name, okay, you can choose to use any name. Let's say we're using Caleb. Okay, that's my name. So I'm using my name Caleb. Okay, so if you want to choose a different address for replies and bounces, you can choose that. Okay, but I would advise you not to do that. You can just simply use this email address you have here, but if you still want to do that, you can just choose that reply to address. Okay, so if you want to use another reply to address, you can input it here. And return path address for bounces. Okay, if you want to choose another email address where bounces emails will be sent to, you can also input it here. Okay, just input it here. So very easy. So we have already done all this setup before, so we are good to go. So the next thing now is to click on send. We click on send to send our email. So the software will notify you to put off your antivirus. Okay, so it is advisable that you put off your antivirus before you start to use it. So for me now, my antivirus is not even active, so I don't need any issue with that. So click on OK, then your emails will start to send. So you can see it's connecting. It's trying to connect. Awesome. So you can see the emails have been sent. When you see OK, it shows that the emails have been sent. Awesome. Wow, you can see I just received the email now. I just received it in my most of these emails are mine, so I just received it in my email now, directly to my inbox. You can see directly to my inbox. So this shows how powerful this software is. It sends your emails directly to your inbox. So you can imagine if you use this to send hundreds and thousands of emails per day, for free without spending any kobo. You understand? So with this you can also interchange. Okay, we can also interchange the username and the password. Okay, just like I showed you how to create SMTP, you can create various SMTPs and various username. Okay, you have different Gmail addresses, you can create it. Like for me now, I have about 7 of them. I can send up to 3,000 emails per day if I want, because each Gmail address allows 500, maximum of 500 per Gmail. Okay, so I can create I have 5, 6, 7 already. You understand? So I can use that to send multiple emails for free per day. So this is how powerful this software is. Okay, in fact, I just received the email again. They all drop in my mailbox, directly in my inbox. They drop directly in my inbox. That is the beauty of SendBlaster software. Alright, so this video is getting long already, so I want to thank you very much for taking out time to watch this video. If you have any issue, you can contact me on 080-8571-6509. 080-8571-6509. So my name remains Caleb Adediwura, founder of Crown to Gold Digital Service. Thank you once more for your time, and God bless you.